Now we're ready. Okay, peoples. Before we anodize titanium, we have to clean it. And I have some Winks cleaner here. It's a rust remover. And I'm going to put this in there until it bubbles. You're going to see a bubble. It's probably going to happen in like 5 to 10 seconds. And then we're going to pull it out, okay? Okay. So we're going to get this in there. There we go. Oh boy, see it fizzing? Oh yeah, it's fizzing. Okay, so that means it's got clean. Now let's get her in the water. The water will neutralize the acid. Okay. All righty. Okay, the next step is going to be anodize. Now what I'm going to do, anodizing titanium, the color that you want is determined by the voltage. The colors start at bronze, and then they go to a purple, then a blue, then a light blue, then a green, then a gold, then a pink, then a neon purple, then a green, another green, a second green. What we're going to do is we're going to do something called rainbow. And that means I'm not going to leave it in the bath long enough to turn the solid color. I'm going to go down and I'm going to come right back out, guys. Do that's going to get me a rainbow. Okay? And hopefully I can do it without hitting the anodes on the side, because that would be bad. You ready? Okay, guys. It's going in silver, and hopefully it's going to come out a rainbow color if I do my part. Is everybody ready? Are we ready on the left? Are we ready on the right? Can you see it silver? Okay, you can see we only got a little color at the bottom. I didn't leave it in long enough. So I'm going to go back in. I'm actually going to go to another corner. Here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. I'll just do it like this. My clip does not want to hold anymore. Okay, there we go. What I got, guys, is a whole bunch of different colors. I have purples and bronzes in the center, and then blues, and then out to golds on the outside. So now what we want to do is we're going to put this in the tumbler, and we're going to let all the color come off everywhere but down in the way lows. And hopefully this looks cool. Let's go try it. Light greens, and I've even got some pinks and purples out on the edge. So hopefully that looks good once we tumble the majority of the color off. Let's give it. Hey, this is my vibratory tumbler. This mostly is used to deburr and smooth rough edged parts, but I also use this sometimes to knock the color off titanium. But it won't take the color off down in the lows. The stones will not get down into the hammered area. So let's do it. Let's drop this in here for 30 minutes. Yep. Okay, guys, we're going to pull the bowl out. It's been going for actually about an hour and a half. Ooh, I already like where this is going. Okay, let's get some water on it. You ready? You got it? Got some beautiful color down in the Made in USA in Wilmot. There's no color at all on the titanium right here, which is exactly what I wanted. This actually turned out really good. I've got some great color down in the lows and almost no color on the highs, which is exactly what I wanted. I've got some yellows and golds out here, then I've got some blues, then I've got some purples and bronzes. This is exactly what I wanted. So hopefully you guys can see all that color. I'll do another snapshot in the house. We really lost a lot of color on the highs in the last 30 minutes. So that concludes our video on the titanium textured titanium bowl. Thanks for watching my video. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that button right here. Or hit this one. And check out more videos. We're going to do a video a week. Thanks for following me, guys. All right, guys, one of the things I like to do is titanium, after it's been tumbled, is very dry, and it'll absorb your oils. And you guys can see. Can you guys see just my fingerprints? How it's smudging up the titanium? I don't like that. I don't think it looks good. So what I always do is I put frog lube. And this is frog lube. And I heated this titanium first, so the frog lube melts in there. And the frog lube will stay there even when I wipe it off. I'm going to wipe it off in a few minutes. There we go, nice big piece. Frog lube you can get on Amazon. It's actually like it's a lubricant or a gun lube. Look at it, just glowing. Oh, that's nice right there. I think that's so pretty. I don't know why it makes me so excited. It really, really does. I'll try to put it in the front. I normally don't put it on this side, but let's just do it. Let's just be crazy, guys. Let's just be crazy, Clark. Clark, can we be crazy today?
Might as well.
I'll just rub it all over and just make it happy. God, yes. Get it in there. Get it in there. Okay. That's beautiful right there. Okay, now we're going to wipe it off, and you really can't wipe it all off. That's a great thing. So you're going to get this just beautiful glow. And then hopefully we didn't get it down in the lows too much. No, it doesn't look like it's down in the lows, which is, you don't want it in there. It won't look good. It won't look attractive. Okay, now we just wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe it. Try to wipe it away. Look at that. Can you see this beautiful hue? And it won't show fingerprints, guys. No more fingerprints because it's oiled. Anyway, that is the bowl. It is ready to go in the house and take my car keys. I don't have my car keys on me, so I can't show you. But if I had car keys, I could put them in there. Or my knife. Oh, or my knife. You can now. Oh, here we go. Car keys. Check it out, guys. So, thanks for coming by and watching our video. Everyone have a great day.